Namaste. My name is Shubha and you're watching Tattvam YouTube channel. This is the fourth video in the Varnamala series. If you have not watched the previous videos, please do watch them. In this series, I teach how to pronounce the Samskritam sounds correctly. I also teach how to read and write the Devanagari script, and apart from this, I also give lot of details about the Samskritam sounds in order to enrich your knowledge of Sanskritam. So please do subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified when I add new videos. In this video, I will be discussing in detail about the Udatta, Anudatta and Svarita. In previous videos, we had seen that vowels can be having the variations of Hrasva, Dirgha and Pluta. Apart from the Hrasva, Dirgha, Pluta variations, the vowels can also be of the type of Udatta, Anudatta or Svarita. What are these Udatta, Anudatta and Svarita? If you have seen a Veda mantra, you would have seen some markings. Like for example, I have taken this line from Sri Suktam. If a letter does not have any markings, then it is Udatta. If there is a dash below, then it is Anudatta, and if there is a vertical line above it, then it is a Svarita Swara. Please note that Udatta, Anudatta and Svarita are for the vowels only. They are not for the consonants. In this particular line, he does not have any markings on it, so it is Udatta. That is, the E sound in he is Udatta, and Ra has a vertical line above it. The A sound in Ra is a Svarita, and in the last word Su has a dash below it, so the U is Anudatta there. Sometimes you also find two vertical lines on top of a particular letter, that is called Dirgha Svarita. It is considered as a part of Svarita itself. Just for the purpose of demonstrating the usage of the Anudatta, Udatta and Svarita, I will recite this particular line. If it is an Udatta, that is, if there is no marking on that particular letter, then we have to recite it in the normal pitch. If there is a Svarita, that is a vertical line on top of a letter, then that particular letter has to be recited in a slightly higher pitch. And if there is an Anudatta, that is a dash below the letter, then that letter has to be recited in a slightly lower pitch. Hiranyavarnam harinim suvarnarajatasrajam. The Udatta, Anudatta and Svarita are extremely important in Vedic recitation. Slight variations in them can drastically change the meaning. I would like to tell a small story about this, which is from the Taittiriya Samhita. So, Tvashta is a heavenly builder. He wanted to take revenge on Indra. Why he wanted to take revenge on Indra is a different story. He wanted to take revenge on Indra, and for that he performed a yajna to beget a son who will be capable of killing Indra. And during the yajna, he was supposed to recite this mantra, Indra Shatrur Vardhasva, and it continues. But while reciting the mantra, he slightly changed the intonation, and the result was extremely drastically different. Tvashta was supposed to recite the mantra like this, with Udatta in Indra and Svarita in the Shatru portion. This would mean, Indra's enemy, may you grow. But while reciting, Tvashta recited it this way. He put the Svarita in the first half in Indra and Udatta in Shatru. This meant, Indra, who is the enemy, may you grow. What ended up happening was, Twashta got a son, Vritra, as a result of the yajna, but Indra killed Vritra because the mantra recited gave a totally different meaning. That is why reciting mantras with proper swaras, with proper udatta, anudatta and svarita is very important, and that is why it is always emphasized to learn Vedic mantras from a proper guru. This is a shloka from the Panineeya shiksha, which is based on the Indra Shatru story that I just narrated. Mantro hina swarato varnato va mithya prayukto natamarthamaha sa vagvajro yajamanam hinasti yathendra shatru swaratoparadhat. Meaning, the mantra without proper pronunciation of vowels, that is swaras, and consonants, that is the utterance of a mantra in a faulty manner, makes it faulty and does not convey the intended meaning. This kind of mantra, gets converted into a verbal thunderbolt and harms the one who is chanting it, as in the case of the word Indra Shatru with faulty pronunciation of vowels. Now, this emphasis on proper intonation, it's not some superstitious belief. If you see in our daily usage of any language, the tone in which we say can change the meaning drastically. For example, I can say thank you for everything, and I can say thank you for everything. So these are two circumstances. First one, I was telling it really thank you for everything, and the second one, from my tone, thank you for everything. You can make out that I am disgusted. So the Vedic seers, they were keen observers, and they know the power of intonations, so that is, and sounds, and that is why they give so much of importance to the intonations while reciting Vedic mantras. Apart from Hrasva, Dirgha, Pluta variation and Udatta, Anudatta and Svarita variation, the vowels can undergo another type of variation, that is Anunaasikas and ananunaasikas. Anunaasikas are those sounds which are produced with the help of the nose. So the vowel can be produced like this: a, i, u, r, l, e, I, o, So when they are produced with the help of the nose, they are called anunaasikas, and when they are produced without the help of the nose, then they are called ananunaasikas. So if we take all these into consideration, we will have 18 different variations for a single vowel. What all we have seen about the vowels till now, I have captured it in this flow chart. If you see here, a vowel can be of Hrasva, Dirgha or Pluta. And further, this Hrasva or Dirgha or Pluta can be of this type: Udatta, Anudatta and Svarita. And further, each of this can be either of the type of Anunaasika or ananunaasika. So totally 18 different variations will be there. The vowels A, I, U, R have 18 variations, but the vowels L, A, I, O have 12 variations, because L does not have a Dirgha swara of it, and A, I, O do not have their Hrasva components. So if we take all the variations of vowels into consideration, and if we count the number of vowels in Samskritam, we will have totally 132 vowels. I think you would have now realized how rich this language is. We are still in the vowels section in this Varnamala series, and you have realized that we have 132 vowels alone. So this itself shows how rich the language is. As we move further, you will see more amazing things. The next video, we will be starting with the consonants. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found some value, some learning in this video. If you did, then please let me know in the comments below. That will encourage me to make more such videos. And also please do like and share with interested people, and please do subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified when I add new videos. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.